So Uma, why is this car in today?
So we're going to take this car on a test drive, and I'm going to show you why the customers brought this car in today. You hear that clunking sound? Now that's why this car is being booked in today, and that's the symptoms. That's the customer complaint. That clunking sound that you can hear. As you can see, this is where our fault is coming from. It's the vibration that's coming from the pop shaft. You hear that? Now that's what the customer is hearing whenever they're driving. As you can see, and you can also hear it as well. That's the old transfer case. This is the new one from Mercedes-Benz. So just doing a test drive as the works have been completed and the issue has been resolved. Now we can give the car back to the customer.